I just spent the night in some miserable conditions, but I cooked some great food, built a nice shelter, and had a great time. You're gonna wanna watch this video. All right, we're gonna call this home for the night. Alright, I'm gonna start collecting wood for a fire and for a shelter. This snow is super duper wet, so I'm trying to find some standing deadwood like this. It's a lot less likely to be soaked through. Sometimes instead of sawing a log, it's a lot quicker to just use leverage. I've got it between these two trees here. I'm just gonna pull on that end. Got my wood pile going. I'm gonna start building my shelter. Okay, I'm gonna take a break on the shelter for just a second, get my fire started. We'll finish it in just a sec. This is dryer lint, and then this is my gas station receipt. We're gonna try and use these to start the fire. There we go. Oh, perfect. It's having a really hard time catching because it's so wet. I'm gonna go back to my car, try and find some paper. Hopefully I have a little bit somewhere. Okay, I made the trek back to my car. I found a little bit of cardboard and a couple more receipts. Hopefully that'll be enough. I just had the camera off for about an hour trying to get this fire to stay lit, and I think it's finally at a place where I don't have to constantly tend it. So I'm gonna get started on finishing my shelter, and then we'll make some dinner. Well, I invited my dad to come out with me and my brother, so they just showed up. Say hi.
Hey.
Hey.
So I'm gonna have some company tonight. Everything I own is soaking wet right now, so I'm gonna try and dry out my pants over the fire.
You need it. The cotton has zero in.
All right, we'll give you a little tour. There's our roaring fire, finally. This is my little shelter. Looks nice and cozy. And then they've got their grand palace over there. We got some butter, pork chops, I'm gonna put some carrots in there as well. Oh my gosh. I have never had a better carrot. That is so good. Do you guys want a bite of this? That is so good.
What'd you put on it?
savory blend. Got some hot cocoa. I forgot to bring a cup, so we're improvising.
Thank you.
Nice, dry, fresh pair of socks. I'm very excited for them. My feet have been soaked this whole time. There's a spider on my pillow. Well, this is really cozy. I'm just gonna let the fire die down and go to sleep. I stayed really warm all night. That was really good. Dad, you cooking Spam?
Yes. We'll just put it with bread. So many memories with Spam. All right, anytime you guys are...
Just Spam and bread. Oh, that's cool.
Cool. The inclement weather, you know.
Well, I had a ton of fun filming this video. There was a lot that I'm not quite able to do because of my wet gear, but stick around, subscribe. We'll have more videos out soon.